These are some string cheese pieces, and this is a sheet of puff pastry. We're gonna set one down right here, and then I've got another one that I've cut in half. So we're gonna do the rest of these just like this, and then roll it over just once, right? Just like that. Just kind of pinch that down. This is easy to do because you're working with puff pastry and not like a tortilla or pizza crust or anything like that. You can do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna roll this over, just like that. And we're gonna do the two sides, one on this side. And that's why it's good to have like these little tails like that, because you want to be able to fold the corner in. Make sure you trap all that cheese inside the dough. It's okay if it's a little messy looking right now. It's going to look gorgeous when it comes out of the oven. Trust me. Okay, and we're going to do our last one. Right here. Set it in just a little bit. And then roll that puff pastry over the cheese. And then take the corners and just tuck that in like that. Once you have this well, we're gonna start assembling our pizza. So we're gonna start off with some pizza sauce. You can use a pasta sauce if you'd like. I think, I don't know what the difference is between pizza and pasta sauce. If you know, let me know in the comments, because I would love to know. Like, why can't you just use pasta sauce? Okay. Get a nice, healthy layer of that sauce on there. Honestly, if you just wanna use a pasta sauce, use your favorite, flavor. Once you've got that, go ahead and assemble our pizza, because that's what we're making. So we're gonna go ahead and start with some of these fresh mozzarella slices. Pop one in every corner, just like that. Put one in the middle too. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Get some of these basil, fresh basil leaves, and just tear them. But leave big chunks. This could be such a fancy pizza. Be great for like a girl's brunch. Then we're gonna add these cherry tomatoes that I've sliced in half. Put them cut side down. And I like using these heirloom tomatoes because it's just so pretty. Okay, once that is done, let me get these last couple in there, like that. This is half a stick of butter. I'm gonna be adding some garlic powder to that. I have no measurements for this, just add as much as you'd like. I've also got some Italian seasoning. I don't know, I would say maybe like a teaspoon. And you're just gonna mix this together to make this really, really yummy garlic sauce. And then you're just gonna go and brush this on the crust. Everybody likes a garlicky, cheesy crust. And look, this is gonna be like a stuffed crust pizza. You know, people are gonna love it. Got one more thing to do. Once that's all in there, you can actually add a little bit of that to the top of the cheese and that basil as well. The last thing we're gonna do is add some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle this just on the crust, like that. And then this is gonna go into a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at how it turned out. It is like flaky on the outside. I know it's not a pizza crust, but it is going to be like a fancy, fancy pizza. Remember, we've got that mozzarella stick in the crust, and then the fresh mozzarella on the pizza with the fresh tomatoes and the basil. Oh, it's gonna be such a great and easy way to make pizza for your family. I'm gonna take this slice and give it a bite. Mmm, absolutely delicious. You have to make this.